Hello, this is 313. I'm going to be showing you the remake of my last video of how to get ringtones on your phone without internet on your phone. Alright, here we go. Go to mytinyphone.com. It's mytinyphone.com. Where'd it go? My tiny phone. Okay. And this does not require setup. And you go to ringtones right here. Should be next to the home button. And then you search your ringtone. We're gonna search let's search about Indescribable by Chris Tomlin. Chris Tomlin, Indescribable. And you could just press skip this ad. And then you should be able to play it right here. Loading audio file. Okay. Well, and you can stop it. Okay, then you scroll down. Put your phone number and all that. And then right here, right below the enter the phone number, it should say send as web link or send as an attachment. If you don't have internet, of course, that's why you're watching this video, press send as attachment and then click send. And then it should come in your phone as an MP3 file, and then you go to options and the message options and you save it to your phone and then set it as your ringtone. Alright, sorry I'm sounding stuffed up today. I'm kind of sick. Yeah, but just right there and then send. And you should have it as a ring. It should come straight to your phone. Or there's save to PC. Go back. Or send to email. Or download using WAP. Or save to iPhone. You could do that too, but since you're watching this video, send as attachment. Alright, thanks for watching. 3 Triple Threat T. Peace out.